Hi, my name is Ruth Ostroff, and this is How to H2O. Have you ever wanted to start your plants from seeds? Today I'm going to show you some easy steps on how to do that. What we have here are marigold seeds and Armenian cucumber seeds. We've chosen to have these pots. You can use old yogurt containers or anything that's small. Also, what you'll need is potting soil. Don't use your garden soil. What I like to do is to get my seed starting soil a little bit damp before I start filling the pots. So I will scoop out some of this soil, tap it lightly. Most seeds, you want to plant them twice the length of the seed. I'm going to make a little hole with my finger, and I'll put 3 seeds in these holes. And you'll want to tap it down and cover it, and then you'll want to wet this really well. For marigolds, I like to take my potting soil, push it down a little bit, and then add the marigold seeds on top because they're just not as sturdy and as large. I'm going to dampen the seeds, and then I'm going to put a little bit of extra potting soil to cover that seed. As they come up, you'll need to take a pair of scissors and cut off at the ground level any of those that you don't want to keep. Each seed type needs a certain temperature for the soil. For most seeds, that's between 65 and roughly 70 degrees Fahrenheit. I would say in a week to 10 days, you ought to see your new plants coming out of the ground. And that's really all there is to it. And thanks for watching How to H2O.